how to add documents to DocuSign. So first, go to your account, and then just click on home page here, and then just click on start. Okay, next is here is where you can add your documents. So just click on upload here, then choose among the options here which one you're going to choose to upload your document. So I'll just use my desktop, and then just double click on your document to upload it, and you're done. You just uploaded your document. So after this, you can just fill in all of the details here, and then just click on next, and then just add in your standard fields, and then click on send to send this document to the one that you're going to send it to. Or you can just click on close here, then just click on save and close, so it turns into draft. So that's how you add documents in DocuSign. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.